Spoonful.
Recording.
That's a spoonful. That's a spoonful. Helps the medicine go down, motherfucker.
Oh God.
Do it.
You've done this before?
But can he do it while he's getting tackled to the ground?
Tickle his balls.
Get closer.
This man is swallow it all, man.
You can't swallow it in chunks.
Well, he's not like a regular human.
Mike, do not inhale.
Don't breathe the air.
Do not.
Uh-oh. I think he's got some unforeseen difficulties.
Got it.
Do not inhale.
Guys, leave him alone. He knows exactly. He's a warrior.
Got it.
Oh.
Now, the whole point is to mess with him. If he can handle that, then he's
That is
a
a pretty
champion.
good. That is a pretty good. You can't just let him do it on his own.
Hi,
Yeah.
Mike. We're not messing with
Rub
you.
his bald head. You know, like.
I thought you were
Leave
gonna
him
say rub his
alone.
balls.
No. Don't touch him. Can't touch him.
Rub his balls.
Don't forget to cut the balls.
Holy shit.
All
I've
right,
never seen
one of
somebody
you
hold it
ladies
in.
grind up on him.
Let him do this. I want to know what the secret is.
Come on, man.
Yeah, don't
It's
say
being a monad.
A lot of saliva.
Sitting there for like 3 hours does
Just
not
like
count.
taking it like a champ. That's.
I feel like he hasn't swallowed the fucking
I don't
thing.
know
I feel
what
like
he's
it's
doing.
just still sitting in his
It
head.
is. It is.
Yeah.
He's waiting to saturate it so he can chew it and then swallow
Yeah,
it.
that's
It's fucked up.
Fair.
I know it's not fair.
Cheating, I'm pretty sure.
No? How is that?
Nobody's impressed.
Oh dear.
You
I'm
don't have to breathe it in,
impressed.
but you can't
I've
just
never
sit there
seen let
over,
somebody
like,
do
the course
this.
of 20 minutes.
Where is it? In your mouth?
This video is gonna get so many hits on YouTube. We're gonna be like, "Whoa, look at this guy fucking standing there and doing nothing."
That's where it is.
Sweet.
Winning.
You're gonna take it down all at once.
I'm fucking wasting more after the background. Talking about
Five.
nonsense.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Four.
Give him 5 minutes. Oh, he's doing it.
3,
He inserted it anally.
2.
We should have a commercial break to go to.
Doing it.
That's cool.
Somebody should be sponsoring this.
Messages.
Technical difficulties.
Shh, guys, don't.
Yeah, I made him uneasy.
Don't make that noise. Stop.
Mr. Mounds, what you doing? I see him. Look at him. There he is.
Playing baseball.
Watch your son puke.
Yeah, come out here. Watch your son puke. Here he comes.
Alright, take it down.
Your son's gonna make a fool of himself.
Don't look in his No.
With the cinnamon.
Woo! Look at it.
Sweet karate
He's a
action.
cinnamon warrior.
Ready?
Oh no, that was
He
fucked
got
up.
it from both ends.
That was
This is badass.
Yeah, but he hasn't
God,
eaten the
he's like,
fucking cinnamon.
shit.
he's eating it right now.
Because it took him like 7 minutes. to just
defeated
like-
It took like less than 5 minutes.
Plus, there was multiple interferences. You know, I got to give you credit for that. Like, you know,
I was a little scared.
There was like 2 minutes left.
people were touching your nuts and stuff.
I was a little scared for a second there. I was a little scared. I'll admit, because I was everyone. I had all this interference. I'm like, oh, don't open your mouth and don't swallow it right now. Fart. Cinnamon is spicy. If you let yourself, I mean, I have an overactive salivary gland.
We knew that.
So if I just kind of, if I just kind of let it just sit there for a minute, I'll soak it all up and I can swallow it. It's the best barb that ever won. It took like